we are explorers. For millennia, we've gazed at the night sky, wondering about the points of light above. This curiosity drove our ancestors across continents and oceans, and when Earth was mapped, we turned our eyes to space. The cosmos called, and we answered, building machines to extend our senses into the void. Space exploration is the ultimate expression of our quest to understand our place in the universe. Each new horizon redefines our perspective, uniting us in a shared purpose. Among all our journeys, one stands apart: Voyager 1. What began as a tour of the outer planets became something far greater. Voyager 1 is humanity's first step into the vast ocean between the stars. It's a lone wanderer, a silent ambassador carrying a message from Earth. Its journey is our journey, a symbol of our relentless desire to know what lies beyond. This is the story of Voyager 1, the mission that redefined what it means to explore. The Voyager mission was born from a rare planetary alignment. Once every 176 years, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune line up, allowing a spacecraft to slingshot from one to the next using gravity. NASA seized this fleeting opportunity in the late 1970s. Budget cuts forced a scaled-back mission 2 spacecraft, focused on Jupiter and Saturn. Thus, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 were built, sophisticated robotic explorers equipped to study planets, moons, rings, and cosmic rays. Their primary goal detailed studies of the Jovian and Saturnian systems. Scientists wanted to unravel Jupiter's Great Red Spot, Saturn's rings, and discover new moons. Every instrument was chosen to answer fundamental questions about our solar system's giants. But the engineers at JPL built Voyager to last, powered by nuclear batteries, with redundant systems for the unknown. After their planetary missions, the probes would continue outward, into the void. This foresight transformed a 4-year mission into an interstellar odyssey. Voyager was designed not just to visit planets, but to journey beyond them. The stage was set for a mission that would outlast its creators. Voyager's story was just beginning. On September 5, 1977, Voyager 1 launched from Cape Canaveral atop a Titan IIIe Centaur rocket. It was a one-way journey, humanity sending a piece of itself into the cosmos. Voyager 1 launched after its twin, but on a faster path to reach Jupiter and Saturn first. Years of meticulous work led to this moment. Every calculation had to be perfect. Once in space, Voyager 1 deployed its instruments and began its mission, guided by commands from Earth. The Jet Propulsion Laboratory became its distant navigator, sending instructions and awaiting data from millions of kilometers away. But Voyager 1 was more than a scientific probe, it was an emissary. Attached to its side, the Golden Record, a message in a bottle for any intelligent life that might find it. The record contained sounds and images representing Earth's diversity. Voyager's launch was a moment of hope, reaching out to the cosmos, announcing our existence. We were not just exploring, we were sending a greeting to the universe. Voyager 1 carried our questions, our dreams, and our message into the unknown. Its journey had truly begun. After 18 months, Voyager 1 reached Jupiter, the king of planets. On March 5, 1979, it flew just 349,000 kilometers above Jupiter's cloud tops. The images were breathtaking, revealing a dynamic world of storms and the massive Great Red Spot. Voyager 1's instruments made revolutionary discoveries, active volcanoes on Io, showing volcanism wasn't unique to Earth. It glimpsed Europa's icy surface, hinting at a hidden ocean, and revealed the ancient terrains of Ganymede and Callisto. Voyager discovered Jupiter's faint ring system and 2 new moons, Metis and Adrastea. Its data filled volumes, mapping Jupiter's magnetic field, detecting lightning, and surviving deadly radiation. Using Jupiter's gravity, Voyager 1 slingshotted toward Saturn. In just weeks, it transformed our understanding of the Jovian system. The encounter was a spectacular success, setting the stage for the next chapter. Voyager pressed onward, deeper into the unknown. In November 1980, Voyager 1 arrived at Saturn, the majestic ringed planet. The images it returned revealed Saturn's rings as a complex system of thousands of ringlets with mysterious braids and spokes. One key objective studied Titan, Saturn's largest moon. Voyager flew behind Titan, using its radio signals to probe the thick, nitrogen-rich atmosphere, denser than Earth's, laced with methane. This maneuver sent Voyager 1 out of the ecliptic plane, ending its planetary tour but unlocking Titan's secrets. The data suggested a world shrouded in orange haze, possibly with rivers and lakes of liquid methane. Voyager also imaged Saturn's icy moons, Mimas, Enceladus, Tethys, Dione, and Rhea, revealing their unique features. It discovered 3 new moons, Atlas, Prometheus, and Pandora, the latter two shepherding Saturn's F-ring. With its planetary mission complete, Voyager 1's new course pointed away from the Sun, toward the stars. The Saturn encounter marked the end of one journey and the beginning of another. Voyager 1 was now bound for interstellar space. Its mission had become truly cosmic. The Odyssey continued. With the planets behind, Voyager 1 began its loneliest phase, the interstellar mission. Traveling faster than any human-made object, it sped outward, adding over 1 million miles each day. Its new goal: study the outer reaches of the Sun's influence and cross into interstellar space. In 1990, at Carl Sagan's request, Voyager 1 turned its camera back for a final portrait of the solar system. Among the images, Earth, a pale blue dot, less than a pixel in size, a humbling reminder of our place in the cosmos. After this, Voyager's cameras were turned off to conserve power for its remaining instruments. For decades, it measured the solar wind and magnetic fields in the vast heliosphere. In 2004, it crossed the termination shock, where the solar wind slows abruptly. Entering the heliosheath, Voyager 1 pressed on, approaching the edge of the Sun's domain. The spacecraft was now closer than ever to the final frontier. Each day, it ventured deeper into the unknown. The journey toward interstellar space was nearly complete. Humanity's reach had never extended so far. The final step, crossing into interstellar space, was the most anticipated. Scientists watched for signs: a drop in solar particles, a surge in galactic cosmic rays, a shift in the magnetic field. In 2012, the data was clear. Voyager 1 had crossed the heliopause, the true edge of our solar system. At 121 times the Earth-Sun distance, humanity had entered the space between the stars. Voyager 1 now traveled through plasma from ancient stars, measuring a denser, unfamiliar environment. As of August 2025, it's over 24.8 billion kilometers from Earth. Radio signals take nearly a day to reach it. Its instruments continue to send back data, powered by fading nuclear batteries. Soon, Voyager 1 will fall silent, but its journey will continue, an eternal wanderer in the Milky Way. The probe carries our message, our curiosity, and our hope into the galaxy. Voyager 1's crossing was a monumental achievement for humanity. The final frontier had been breached. Voyager 1 is unique for one reason: it carries the golden record, a message for other civilizations. Conceived by Carl Sagan's team, the record is a time capsule, a summary of Earth sent on an interstellar journey. The 12-inch gold-plated copper disc is inscribed with diagrams, a galactic map, a hydrogen atom, and instructions for playback. The record's contents are a tapestry of life: 115 images of nature, animals, and humanity, scientific diagrams and scenes from our world. It includes sounds of wind, rain, animals, laughter, and a human heartbeat. There's a 90-minute selection of music from Bach to Chuck Berry, and traditional songs from around the globe. Greetings in 55 languages begin with ancient Akkadian and end with modern tongues. The English greeting, spoken by a child: "Hello from the children of planet Earth." The golden record is a gesture of peace and friendship, a statement of who we are, or hope to be. It's a message of curiosity and hope, cast into the cosmic ocean. Voyager 1 carries this greeting beyond the stars. It is our introduction to the universe, a testament to our desire to connect. Voyager 1's journey is humanity's greatest exploration. It has traveled farther and longer than any object we've built, revolutionizing our understanding of the outer solar system. Its discoveries, volcanoes on Io, a hidden ocean on Europa, Saturn's complex rings, changed science forever. Voyager 1 was the first human-made object to enter interstellar space, our emissary to the galaxy. Its endurance is a marvel, still operating nearly half a century after launch. Even after its instruments fall silent, Voyager 1 will drift through the Milky Way for eons, carrying the golden record. The act of sending it is an act of profound optimism. Voyager's legacy is not just in data, but in perspective. The pale blue dot reminds us of our fragile place in the cosmos. Voyager inspires us to keep exploring, to ask bigger questions, and to never lose our sense of wonder. As we plan new missions, we follow the path Voyager blazed. Its story urges us to look beyond our horizons, and always to ask, where will we go next?